I can't believe I'm actually going to do this. So get your popcorn, prepare yourself for this entertainment. Hello guys, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to review a product for you. The product today I am reviewing is called Lancome. Lancome Renergie, however it goes, whatever. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Now this is a unisex product. That's right, it's for any gender. We now live in an era where the metrosexual man is celebrated. That's right, so that means me too, I can use this. Now I must note that I do not currently wear any facial products. I just don't like the feel of creams, facial things like this on my face. Even the likes of sun lotion, things like this, I just find it so uncomfortable. But for you guys, I've went out there myself to the shops and I've got my hands on one of these because I noticed it has lots of positive reviews online. So I thought I would review this myself for my subscribers and viewers out there. So Maverick, what is it? What exactly is it for? Well, in short, the Lancome Renergie cream is a face lifting cream that specializes in reducing, eradicating, and even preventing wrinkles on the face. It's perfect for specific areas such as the crow's feet areas here on the eyes, or even lifting the slight gradual wrinkles here on the forehead as we age and get older, or even the neck area here, as many people suffer from as they get older, especially the women out there. Let's open this product. Wow, that's a pretty slick design, right? What is that? Looks like something from outer space. Oh, you can see the cream there in the bottom. That's pretty cool, that. Looks like a perfume or fragrance. The diagram is to show you how to unopen it, I'm guessing. Let's find out. So, twist. Yeah, you basically need the diagram because look, I've twisted the lid off and look what's underneath. Another surprise. Actually, this is a pretty cool feature because it has a built-in like lock to make sure it doesn't spill out or open easily. Can you see this? So you just basically turn it like this and then lift. Oh, it comes out. Look at that. Now that's cool, right? That's cool. I've never seen nothing like this before. But again, this is my first experience actually dealing with a cream or a lifting cream for that matter. Really? That's how all the creams are? They're like this? You women have some pretty cool gadgets. There's a little handle here, lifting up, sticking out, and you just pull that, yeah. And there it is. There's the liquid gold right there, the magic formula. It smells nice and fresh. There's no overpowering scent. I remember in the past when I wore a lotion on my face, which was a sun lotion, and like most sun lotions, especially the creams, not the oils but the creams, that always smell quite strong. Well, at least they did for me, and it was just too overpowering, the smell. I was a kid at the time. It was like a horrifying experience because ever since then, when it comes to wearing sun lotions or any kind of creams on my face, stuff like this, I always just think to myself, this is disgusting, like, this is awful, like, why do we have to do this? Like, does everybody really do this? I remember walking around like a Dalek, like a robot, like this all the time. People would ask me questions, they'd talk to me, I'd be like, I didn't even want to move my face because I felt like the skin was so tight and it would crack in. I don't know, it just felt uncomfortable. I don't know how to explain it. If there's more people like that, just like me, let me know in the comments, will you? I just felt like I was wearing like a birthday cake on my face. Like somebody plonked my face in a birthday cake and I was walking around all day with birthday cake on my face. That's how it felt. This one doesn't smell half as bad as the sun lotions I experienced in the past. I know it sounds silly, but I know you're probably thinking, how can you tell just by a scent? But even smelling this, the lotion feels like it's quite thin. Do you know what I mean? Does anybody ever get that impression when you smell like a lotion or something. It just smells like it would be very thin and light and easy to wear, even though I've never actually wore it yet. The scents are pretty interesting, right? In this Lancome product, there's actually over 300 peptides in it. Not only 300 peptides, there's also 2 major ingredients. It sounds like Swahili to me. Here it goes. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Niacinamide. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. I've definitely heard of hyaluronic acid because this is used in many products I've noticed, especially when it comes to moisturizers and facial lifting creams. It is said that this product visibly lifts and tightens all skin zones as it's worn throughout the day. Unlike the experiences I had with those shitty skin lotions in the past, this one right here supposedly absorbs seamlessly into the skin, leaving a lasting and refined new softness. So if you are somebody who is acutely aware of aging, or if you want to prevent any aging on the exterior or minimize any already aging such as wrinkles, fine lines and sagging, then this is the product for you. And there's also SPF 15 that is included in this product. Lancome is a high-end brand and is now the leading luxury beauty brand in the whole world. I fail to recognize, accept or understand that there is any man-made product out there in the world that can possibly be magic. But that is not saying that we should just stop caring about ourselves and not take care of ourselves. Of course, we should always take care of ourselves and our body, as this is, as you know, the only one we will have. Lancome uses premium ingredients and specializes in deep and thorough research to focus on the developments of high quality formulas. Lancome is previously famous for skincare, makeup and fragrances. I can't believe I'm actually going to do this, but I will apply this to my face for you guys. So get your popcorn, prepare yourself for this entertainment, because I hate wearing anything on my face, especially creams, especially things which have SPs in them or whatever you call them. Bear with me, right? Because this is the first time I have ever applied anything on my face. So I may be doing it wrong, but I'm gonna do it my way anyways. I'm not too sure how much you're supposed to apply on your face, but I'm guessing I'm just gonna do a little bit since it's my first time and see how it goes. So as I guessed, it is a very light cream, and I know you're probably thinking, why are you using your finger? Well, if you're thinking that, no, I'm joking. No, but you're probably thinking, why am I actually just using one finger? You guys probably do it a lot faster, but the reason for that is because I'm basically just adapting to wearing this, and I don't want to put too much on my face all at once, because then I will feel like a robot. I will feel like a Dalek like in the past. Okay, I'm getting a bit more confidence now. I think I'll go for the 2 fingers. Oh, stop it. You know, it feels pretty good actually. The faster I do this, the faster I can get it over with. Put some on my neck area. Some on my chinny chin chin. Hope I haven't missed any areas. I'm no expert, as you can see, so I hope that wasn't too ridiculous. It smells good, and by my sheer amazement, I can't even feel it on my face. Wow, honestly, I can't believe this. Now, it's actually worth considering using this from now on. I never thought I would ever say that. Wow, it doesn't feel too tight. I don't feel like I did when I was a kid wearing the sun lotion. So, wow, honestly, it doesn't even feel like I've got anything on my face. That's really good actually, you know, that's really good. I don't know if you can notice anything on my face, but I can't. I certainly can't feel nothing on my face anymore. It's not magic, but we can only try our best. We are currently in the future, living in the past. So I think it's about time that we embrace living in the future. When it comes to our bodies, our health, our skin, our well-being, I think it's very important that we take care of ourselves. It doesn't depend on what you look like, who you are, how old you look. I think it applies to everybody. We should all take care of ourselves and be the best versions of ourselves that we can possibly be.